Harris, and I am making laundry detergent. Cool, so excited to do this. Okay, so I have in here, this is my like Pyrex mixing bowl, and I put a 1/4 cup of washing soda, and then I put maybe like an inch or so of really, really hot water, almost boiling water, in there to dissolve it. And when the washing soda dissolved, then I added baking soda, also a 1/4 cup. And so I've just got that kind of sitting here dissolving, and it's taken its sweet time, so I'm gonna add a little more hot water to that. Then, we're not using borax, by the way. This is a borax-free, like plant-based, awesome, natural, easy recipe. I have some very, very warm water out of my tap in this really cool gallon-sized drink dispenser, and that's what I'm gonna use as my laundry detergent dispenser. So I have warm water in here, and I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of Thieves laundry soap. The reason that I am using Thieves is it is plant-based, it is 100% biodegradable. It is my favorite laundry detergent, especially with 2 little boys and 3 dogs. I need this stuff. It is 6 times concentrated though, so I can actually use it to make other laundry detergent. Like, this stuff is so insanely concentrated. It is awesome. But I'm gonna put a 1/4 cup, is that the right amount? Yes. 1/4 cup of the Thieves laundry detergent. And when you actually use this, if you use this straight up for a really nasty load of laundry, it is a 1/4 capful. Not even a capful, like with normal laundry detergent. A 1/4 capful is all you need for your yuckiest laundry. No joke. I have 3 dogs. One is a puppy, the other was feral, so he is not 100% housebroken, and the puppy, we've been house training. So if I tell you that it works on the nastiest loads, it works. But because it is so concentrated, I'm gonna use it to make this other laundry detergent. So I'm stirring the Thieves laundry detergent, 1/4 cup, into my very, very warm water. Not boiling, it was warm out of the tap. And the reason I want just warm out of the tap is I don't want to break this glass container. So it's 1/4 cup of that. Okay, and then 2 tablespoons of Thieves household cleaner, which is what we use to clean our entire house. The normal bottle is this size. That's what most people buy. Because we use this literally for everything, I buy the big bottle. This little bottle makes 29 of these. So 29 spray bottles of cleaner, which at the store would cost between $2 and $5, right? Each. Man, I think I pay like maybe $1.50 each time I fill this thing up. So, good stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of the Thieves cleaner. So again, these are the Thieves concentrated household cleaner. A capful, about a tablespoonful is what you use to make a spray bottle full. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons in our liquid laundry detergent. 1, 2. Put that in the sink. Okay, make sure. What else is there? I am going to add some essential oils. You don't have to. You don't need this step. But again, I have dogs and boys. So I'm gonna add a little lemon for freshening, and it also just, lemon is so great for like removing stuff. It's a degreaser. It's just great. So I'm gonna do 4 drops of this. 3, 4, and then I'm gonna do 4 drops of a blend called Purification, which is one that I just love to add to my laundry detergent because it kills any scent. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Purification can't remember all the ingredients in it, but I know that it has lemongrass, which is just great for knocking out odors. But I don't like just straight up lemongrass, so this I find to be more pleasant because it has the power of the lemongrass, but it doesn't smell like straight lemongrass. So I did my oils. You could also add Thieves, the Thieves blend of essential oils, 8 drops of that, or 4 drops of Thieves and 4 drops of lemon if you wanted. I think I'm ready to stir this and combine everything together. Okay. Make sure this baking soda keeps settling. That's kind of weird. I should add more really hot water just to make sure. All right, and then when I use this, I'm going to use 1/4 cup per load. And this roughly costs about $5 a gallon to make. So next time you're at Walmart or Target or wherever, look at like a gallon of detergent and see how much a gallon costs. Because I think they're usually around 15 bucks. So I'm doing this for about 5. Pretty awesome. That's way cheaper. And I just also like knowing what the ingredients are that I am using. And I'm gonna add a little more water. Still, some of that baking soda keeps settling. Ah! Oh, it's so cute. Gonna add a little more. I want it to come close to the top, but not totally to the top. I need to be able to carry it upstairs to the laundry. And it's warm. And it smells nice. That's awesome. I like that it smells good. Oh, I am excited. DIY laundry detergent. Liquid laundry. This is the bomb diggity. I'm so excited. Yay! And I'll be able to dispense it right out of here from the shelf near the laundry. I'm so excited. This is awesome. So I hope that was helpful. Again, I can't even recommend these products enough. They are so awesome. And I like things that I can stretch my dollar with. So the fact that you can make 29 spray bottles of cleaner with this, that's pretty awesome. I think it costs $22 for this one, and I don't remember the price on the big one, just off the top of my head. All right, so I am Rebecca Harris. This is my laundry detergent.